Ever wondered if ditching kibble for a raw diet is the right move for your furry best friend? Transitioning your dog to a raw food diet can unlock amazing health benefits. But doing it right is crucial for their well-being. This video will guide you step by step for a smooth and healthy switch. First, empower yourself with knowledge. Research reputable raw feeding resources, and most importantly, consult your veterinarian. They can help assess your dog's individual needs and advise on the safety and suitability of a raw diet for your specific pet. Next, ingredient selection is paramount. Focus on high-quality, human-grade muscle meats, organ meats, and edible bone. Aim for a variety of protein sources, and ensure you're using ingredients that are fresh and properly handled to prevent bacterial contamination. Now, for the transition itself, never go cold turkey. Start by introducing raw food in very small amounts, perhaps just a tablespoon or two mixed with their regular food. Once a day, this allows their digestive system to gently acclimate. During this initial phase, closely monitor your dog for any signs of digestive upset, such as vomiting, diarrhea, or changes in stool consistency. If you notice anything, reduce the amount of raw food and go slower. Over several days or even weeks, gradually increase the proportion of raw food while decreasing the kibble. Aim to replace about 10–25% of their current diet with raw every few days. Listen to your dog's body. Once they are consistently eating a higher percentage of raw food without issues, you can continue to increase it until they are fully transitioned. Continue to observe their overall health, coat condition, and energy levels for ongoing benefits. With patience and proper attention to detail, you can successfully transition your dog to a raw food diet, paving the way for a healthier and happier life for your beloved companion. Remember, consistency and observation are your best allies throughout this journey.